overcome the fear of dealing with writing part 2. Now I'm here to help you out on how and what else you can use when it comes to writing part 2, and you can overcome the fear of getting a lot of mistakes. Help you with a template that's going to be very important for you for your IELTS examination. Now let's have a quick breakdown of your writing part 2 and what are things that you need in order to ace this question type. Now, when I talk about writing part 2, it is a sheer presentation of what you think and what you know about this particular language. Now, usually what happens in writing part 1, you have half of the information already mentioned, where you are not allowed to use your own methods or your own content to present the data. But in writing part 2, you are solely responsible for whatever you write, because you just have a main idea and few of the questions that you have to answer depending upon the question type and the weightage that the question demands. So here I am to help you with a template that's going to be exactly working with what you want. Now, why template works? Now, what exactly this template is? It is something that I'm going to give you everything in written prior. You can just learn it or you can use it at the time of examination. No. So if you have came over here while, after watching the thumbnail that says that a clear template that's going to help you for your writing part 2 is not the pre-written part of your essay, but a structure that you need to understand when you're dealing with writing part 2. Now, why does this works? Now, basically, band 7 plus needs clarity, structure, proper methods, and accuracy with vocabulary at the same time. So there are multiple things that you need to understand when you're dealing with writing part 2 or the writing task entirely. Now, template saves time and avoids confusion for you as well as for the examiner. You just insert your ideas into a proven structures. Now, it works somewhat kind of similar, but yeah, let's see. Now, basically, what are we supposed to do over here is, you need to understand how many questions are there, what all things you need to do when it comes to essay, and what all parameters you are going to judge upon, so that you know what you are trying to present and what you need to present. So let's have a quick view or a quick revision of what are questions we encounter. Opinion, agree, disagree. Okay. Discussion, both views, problem solution, advantage, disadvantage, double question. Now, basically, this double question is the hybrid question where you get a mix of multiple question framework. For example, problem solution, cause, effect solution. So, these are the kind of questions. Now, moving on further, we have different templates for the same depending upon the demand of the question. For example, if you are working with advantage, disadvantage questions. So, for example, अगर आपके पास advantage, disadvantage का question है, so again, the weightage that you need to give in your main body is going to be of 2 pointers. But at the same time, if you are asked for more weightage, so to what extent do you agree? So, if I ask you, to what extent do you agree? For that matter, so if you guys are going for agree to a larger extent, for that matter, you need to write 3 pointers for agree and 2 pointers for disagree. And there you go, there you have to prove the weightage of the topic separately in different paragraphs. So that is what I mean when I say weightage. Now, here's a quick template. So you can see how you can have an introduction over here, body 1, main idea with example, body 2, opposite idea with example, and the conclusion at the same time. Now, here it might change with respect to the question. So, for example, here you have written conclusion. Now, in some questions, you might be asked to write your own opinion separately. So, you can add an opinion wala paragraph at the same time, and then you can move to conclusion. You can do this as well. ठीक है, so ये भी कर सकते हो if you want. ठीक है, अगेन डेफिनेटली नॉट इफ यू वांट, बट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज डिमांडिंग यू ऑफ द सेम. सो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस यूजुअली हैपेंस, ये ओपिनियन वाला पार्ट इट हैपेंस जब आप क्वेश्चंस जब वो वाला क्वेश्चन इनकाउंटर करते हो, डिस्कस बोथ व्यू एंड गिव योर ओपिनियन. सो वहां पे यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन, your body 1 is going to be there, body 2 with opinion, and then you are going to write the conclusion. So ये case उस scenario में applicable होता है. ठीक है. Now moving on, let's move ahead and let's talk about further. Now how introduction is written. Now there is, okay, so introduction and conclusion एक ऐसी चीज होती है, ऐसा part होता है जो कि you have to mention, and it's an unsaid rule of the answer that you have to mention it. Body fluctuate karegi depending upon the question, but introduction and conclusion, the last one, is going to remain the same. Now when I talk about conclusion, introduction, it's like background statement, paraphrase the question. Now this is very basic. It also applies in writing task 1 as well, and it is there in writing task 2 as well, which is quite common. ठीक है. Now let's move ahead and let's talk about the next one, which is your thesis. So your clear opinion or answer. Now thesis का मतलब होता है what is your opinion and how are you going to present it further in your answer to give your position to the examiner to have a clarity of thought on your presentation. Outline what you will discuss. Exactly. This is what it means when I say thesis. For example, nowadays tourism has become one of the fastest growing industries. In my opinion, while it creates economic opportunities, it also leads to environmental damage. This essay will discuss both aspects before reaching to a conclusion. Now that's how a perfect introduction is gonna look like. ठीक है, चलो अब बात करते हैं बॉडी पैरा पे. तो बेसिकली जो बॉडी का टेम्पलेट होता है, इट्स गोना वर्क लाइक दिस. सो यू गोना हैव द टॉपिक सेंटेंस, स्टेट योर मेन आइडिया, expand logically, real life data or personal. Now here, even if you're going for real life data or personal, make sure it should be in simple present tense. ठीक है, this should be the stance, or this should be the presentation wala tense. Linking, connect back to the question, of course, that goes without saying. Now moving on to the conclusion template, this is how it's going to look like. So restate the opinion, don't repeat the intro words. It's just that you have to go for a quick, crisp or just of whatever you have written already in the essay. Summarize the main pointer, no new ideas, of course. In conclusion, though tourism generates income and job, it also damages natural habitats. Therefore, a balanced approach is essential. So this is how you have to go ahead and you have to write the entire conclusion. This is what the template I am talking about. So definitely don't fall for something which is pre-written where you just have to memorize things and you have to write in your examination, you know, just by adding your title to the template. Definitely that's not going to help you ever to achieve 7+ band score. That is just there. Even if you're going to take that into consideration, आपको 5.5 band से ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा in writing. So just be very sure. Don't go for the shortcuts. कोई shortcuts नहीं होते, किसी भी exam के कोई shortcuts नहीं होते हैं. This is the only format that you need to understand. Make sure कि एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, that you are developing a language and you don't have to go academic, which takes a lot of memorization, but you are developing a language, you're learning a language, you are having a grab on a language. So for that matter, you need to understand that the more natural you're going to be, more effective the results are going to be. So just remember this and make sure to practice as much as you can. Okay, now let's have a band 7 must have. So these are the must have that you need to understand. Task response, answer all part of the questions, clear flow, linking words, range of vocabulary, drawback, mitigate or outweigh, and complex but accurate sentence. So again, I'm not burdening you that you only have to make complex sentences. You can go for simple, compound, complex, depending upon the mixture. But make sure not to repeat the things. Make sure to give new information every time you come up with new idea or new pointer in your answer. Okay? So this is all about a quick strategy on your 7+ band template. I hope you liked it and I hope you guys are going to practice, and all the very best for your examination. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.